So chickens have been in the coop for a week and a half now. They're doing great, but I want to give them some space out here in the grass because they deserve it. I found these stakes at Lowe's, and I have a bunch of chicken wire. So I'm going to try and make a temporary, something that I can put up and take down pretty easy for them to come out on the weekends. I have to be careful because I have 2 dogs and I'm a little concerned that they might try to tear the squeakers out of the chickens like they do their toys. So I don't want that to happen. Anyways, I'm going to get started and here we go. Okay, so I got my posts in. You can see the one on the end. And this one right here, you can't tell, but put them in at an angle so that when I pull the fence, it'll straighten them out. Hopefully help keep them tight. Now for probably my least favorite part is messing with the chicken wire. So these posts I found in the garden section have these little clips on them. So I've been hooking the fence in there, trying to keep it on, get it a little bit snug, and then keep it on the same row going up. I don't hit all of them, and it's just not going to work that way. I try getting a bunch of them, and then I want to get this top one in. If I need to, I might go back and throw some zip ties on it. Maybe on the bottom, it doesn't, around the very base of it, so it'll hold it better down here. But yeah, these things were cool. I found them in the garden section over at Lowe's. Look at my chickens, I figured it out. All right, makes me happy. Look at them. Cruising around, oh. So, pretty bitchin'.